Hello everybody, and today what I'm going to be doing is, well, first I'd like to give a shout out to Turtle Tummy 359 on this paper. Turtle Tummy 359. Excuse me, paper, you are in the way. Light. How rude is that? How dare you? Die. Alright, I had to get that out of the way. So what we're going to be doing is building this Minecraft Lego set. Let's get into the first part. So first what I'm going to be doing is using these very dangerous scissors. Boing! So, gotta do is get the box and the scissors and get them in pieces. Okay, so it's just murder. What I did to the front of it. How do I open this? Okay, I'll be back with the video. So, what we got first is this plate. Why did I open this like this? We also got this bag of Legos. Beautiful Legos. Those to the side. More scissor action. A piece of cardboard. Another bag of Legos, which has zombies and Steve in it. And more Legos, just a bit smaller. And instructions. So, first let's read the instructions. Another one of these. Alright, how much? Oh, 2 minutes 59 minutes, okay. Got this 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Step 1. I did step 1. Step 2. Pour out old Legos. What? Ow, my face hurts. Alright. Step 1. Remurder package 1. Where is package 1? This pile. Alright, here's package 1. Need our murder knife for this. Let's just, guess we don't need that. Got this, and we got this. Alright, let's get to the video. The building. Alright. This stuff is easy. First, we make Steve and the 2 zombies. One of them is from Blue Monkey, as you can see. This one is from Blue Monkey. So, let's find the Steve pieces. So, I've already got their pants. I already pulled down their pants. I've got 1 zombie body, so I'll put this on the pants. Boing! It's a headless zombie. The headless horseman. Alright, the headless horse zombie, I guess you could say. What's this? Okay. Any pieces falling forward? Where's all the other pieces? Oh, gee, the decapitated Steve. Okay. Here's Steve's body. Let's put that on top of Steve. So we've got another zombie body right here. Put that on the other zombie. Now we've got Steve completed. Get Steve. Camera, focus on Steve. Okay, good. I am sure that the zombies are not supposed to be headless. Alright. Well, next up, let's gonna move on without the zombie heads. Step 1. I'm not gonna do step 1. So hard. Okay, step 2. Step 1. Tell me what's going on here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do step 1. This. I have a pen. I have an apple. Chest. Alright, what are those? What are those? What are these? Well, I'm gonna I'm gonna pause the video. It's taking too long, 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Alright, I'll be right. And now Steve's got his little pickaxe. Everybody see me? Nice and bright. Okay, this is a bit hard. Yeah, it's a bit hard. Finally. Alright, so it's been sort of a long time. I've got, next to do the cactus, I've done probably grass block, probably gold ore, still 2 headless horseman zombies, and 1 beautiful Steve. Let's get on to the cactus. Right, so 1 of those goes there. And, I've also got the chest. Wrong shade. And oh my dear goodness. Dun. Boing. So I've got that. All I need next is 1 block. Also, I've got this block. I just need 1 of those. I'll be fine without it though. Okay, so next we need 1 of those. So I'll just take this off the lava. Okay, so 2 green blocks, probably the cactus. Then I'll add 2 of these. Sorry, I'll skip this. And another one. There would about go. So we've got 2 zombies. This is the one from Blue Monkey, and this is the Steve. Alright, I'll be right back with you. Now we have the cactus on top of the lava. Although, one thing. Not sure if cactuses spawn on lava. I don't think that's good. I forgot to turn on the lights. Here we are. So, nice and professional. We've got the zombie spawner. As you can see, it has a little zombie spinning inside of it. So, that's the zombie spawner, just so that you know. Gotta get my camera right now. So I have this bit of creation here. It's almost done. Thank you, Turtle Tummy 159 for giving this to me. It's absolutely beautiful, almost done and shiny in the light. Did you see that? Get the white piece. So, cinematics. I meant it's like cinematics. So, everybody, look at this beautiful creation I have made. Oh! So, let's go through this thing, shall we? So, first off, let's move the lights to over here. And so first off here, there is the mob spawner, which inside of the mob spawner, the little zombie spins around, which, I can spin myself. Jeez. Okay, so this zombie right here, this zombie is specific. This one right here. It can fly. Wait, and then it's gone. Like it disappear. It has the abilities to disappear. How's that for a change of Minecraft zombies? You should like be able to disappear. You hear that, Notch? Are you listening? Notch? Should be a change to Minecraft. Zombies should be able to go into walls, in and out of walls. How about that? 1.13. Okay, so let's get to the rest of this. The rest of this is, Steve is a bit, empty-minded and doesn't know that there's literally gold ore right here. And, he's got a pickaxe when there's zombies nearby. Boop, 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 boop. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Bye!